Now, today we'll discuss class 5th science, reproduction of in plants, and today's topic is crop and agriculture. When a plant is grown in a large quantity for a food, fiber, medicine, and other human need, it is called crops. Clear? So crops is grown to complete the human needs such as food, fiber, medicine, and other needs such as furniture. So crop is what? Crop is a growthing of plant, reproduction of plants in a large scale. Clear? The science or practice is growing crop is called agriculture. So practicize, what we are doing, we are using science and to practicize to growing crops is called agriculture or farming also. So agriculture is the use of production of plants in a large scale. Clear? Different crops grown in different type of soil, climate and seasons. Rice grows well in clay soil that hold plenty of water. So rice need what? Clay soil. Clear? And why it is need clay soil? Because clay soil hold plenty of water. So different type of crops grown on different type of soil. Clear? Jute grown well in loamy soil. Clear? Bajra grown on well black soil, and tea grown on the moist soil on the slope of hills. So every type of crop need a different type of climate, also soil. So according to their characteristics they need. So jute need loamy soil, bajra grown on black soil, and tea grown on moist soil. Clear? Okay, the crop grown in India. In India there are two main sources for growing crops. Crops like wheat, lentils, mustard, gram are sown in winter season. So we are dividing this in Indian crops in two type of seasons, two type of crops, rabi crops and kharif crops. So rabi crops are called winter crops and kharif crops are called summer crops. Clear? So such a crops which are grown in season, winter season, are called rabi crops, and the example of these crops are wheat, lentils, mustard, gram are the rabi crops. Clear? So rabi crops are which is grown on winter season. They need plenty of sunlights. That's why its name is rabi crop. Rabi means sun. So all the plants which need so much sun rays, so these crops are called rabi crops, and they are grown in winter. They are grown from November to April. So the starting period we start growing that November to April. Clear? In summer and rainy season, farmer grown crops like rice, maize, jowar, bajra, such as crops grown in summer. And why we are grown that in summer or in rainy season? Because these crops need so much water. Clear? And in India the season of the rainy season is starting from May or June. Clear? So that's why we are prefer crops such like rice, maize or jowar and bajra. Such crops grown in summer and rainy season called kharif crops, summer crops. They are grown from June to October. Clear? So in India we divide the grown of crops into two parts, rabi crops and kharif crops. Rabi crops are called winter crops which are grown in winter season, and the timing is November to April. And second is kharif crop which are grown in summer and the timing is June to October. Clear? So this is the crop production in India.